Hi guys, my name is Katie or Kbdoesart, and today I'm going to be walking you guys through just texturing our locker. So this one should be pretty simple. I'm thinking like we'll texture the whole thing probably like a cool blue color, and then we can texture these hinges like a gray. But that'll be about it. So why don't we go into face mode and just grab these faces. We'll texture them to be like a fun metal texture. And then I also just want to grab these guys, since this will be metal as well. Grab that inside there too. Make sure it doesn't grab too far. Ooh, okay, there we go. Make sure we didn't miss any or grab any extras. And then make sure you still got the hinges on there as well. Looks good. All right, and then let's hold right click, assign a new material, shader, AI standard surface, and I'm just gonna change this to like be a light gray and then just up the metalness on everything. All right. Next, we're going to grab this whole thing, go into face mode and just like select them all. And then you're gonna wanna deselect by holding Control, or you can also just hold Tab and drag. You want to deselect the metal parts you just selected. So go ahead and go through and do that real quick. You can also, doesn't really matter which way you do it, you still have to go through and select these guys. But you could technically like texture the whole locker first and then just select the metal pieces. Or you can do it this way. Kind of works either way. All right, now go ahead and hold right click, assign a new material, shader, AI standard surface, and then you're just gonna kind of change the locker to be whatever color you like. I kind of want to try out like a blue. I think that would be kind of cool. Maybe like a fun royal blue. And then let's click on Arnold's and grab a sky dome light and then click on Arnold render to see how it looks in this view. Let's see. Looks pretty fun. I like the metal. That looks pretty good. I'm gonna go ahead and scroll over to my AI standard surface guys so we can kind of change those as wanted. We're going to be changing 3 and 4, it looks like, were what mine ended up being numbered as. Okay, I'm going to up metalness, put the roughness down. And then this, we can make it pretty metallic if you want like a really metallic locker. You can also like up the roughness on other parts so it's not so like shiny per se. But other than that, that's about it as terms of like actual textures. Totally up to you if you want to keep that like fun blue color. You could change it to be like black, or you could change it to be red or yellow, or whatever your locker might be that you had in school. I'm liking how that looks, so if you guys have any questions, go ahead and let me know, but that's about it for this tutorial, so I will see you guys for our next one. Bye guys!